Welcome to Tisam Mathematics. In this video, I'm going to find the value of a if the fourth root of a minus 1 over the fourth root of a plus 1 over 1 over the fourth root of a minus 1 over 1 over 1 over 1 over the fourth root of a is equal to 3. So let's see how we are going to solve this question. Now, to be able to do this, let's make a substitution for this. So let the fourth root of a be equal to x, so that our equation becomes x plus 1 over x. This is minus plus 1 over 1 over x minus 1 over 1 over 1 over x is equal to 3. Now let's simplify it. So we have x minus 1 over x. Now 1 over 1 over x, when we simplify, we are going to get x minus. So let's look at this one. It's the same as this, and it is x. So 1 over, we are going to get 1 over x here too is equal to 3. Now let's simplify. So we have x plus x minus 1 over x minus 1 over x is equal to 3. So that we have 2x minus 2 over x is equal to 3. We can bring all of them to this side, making first, let's multiply through by x, so that we have x squared minus 2 will be equal to 3x. We can bring all of them here. So we have 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. And we are looking at factors of 4. When we add, we get minus 3. And then when we multiply, we get minus 4. Now if we try minus 4 and then 1. Minus 4 times 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. We break the middle term into those factors. So 2x squared minus 4x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. And the common factor here is 2x. So x minus 2 plus 1 x minus 2 is equal to 0. So that we have x minus 2, then 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So that x minus 2 is equal to 0. Or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So in this case, x is equal to 2 or 2x, which is equal to minus 1. We divide both sides by 2, so we have x being equal to minus 1 on 2. Now we were asked to find a. We said that the fourth root of a is equal to x. So for x is equal to 2, we have the fourth root of a is equal to 2. Now to find a, we raise both sides to the power 4. And when we do that, we have a here, and this is 16. So for x is equal to minus 1 on 2, the fourth root of a is equal to minus 1 on 2. So once again, we raise both sides to the power 4. We have a, which is equal to 1 over 2 raised to the power 4, which is 1 over 16. So therefore, a is equal to 16 or 1 over 16. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime